Kynslei, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So let's get started. So first I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So I'm going to use some of this on my eyes. So you guys can see how I did this eye. And I'm going to do the same over this eye.
Wow, it's looking real nice, girl.
So I have did my eyeshadow, as you guys can see that. Now I'm going to move on to doing my mascara.
Please don't poke your eye out.
Not. So I'm done with my mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and do my blush. This one's the blush brush. So I'm done with all of the stuff. So I'm gonna move on to my lipstick. Guys, look at this.
Alright, are you done, son? Oh yeah, you're definitely done. It looks hot.
So I just gotta pat some. I mean, I don't think none is showing on my cheeks.
I think you look beautiful.
I look beautiful.
Yeah.
I look like a witch.
Oh. One's on you that you can wear out in public, so you'll be looking like a cray cray.
Can I keep my lipstick on? It looks cute.
Yes, I'm gonna tone it down a little because you got a whole bunch.
Maybe my corners.
I'm gonna help you out, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna hook you up, girl. I'm gonna hook you up. Close your eyes.
So you gonna do my makeup?
It's gonna be quick, and easy peasy. Let's just wipe some of this off. We're gonna keep some on, but we're gonna wipe some off. Cause you got a lot of stuff on your lips, girl.
Maybe you can wash all of it up and you can do it.
Okay. What? Girl, you got a gang of stuff on your lips.
I don't got gangster on my lips.
Relax your mouth. Relax.
Can I do a different one?
We're doing one.
I want to do a different lipstick.
This is a different lipstick.
I don't want to do
Stop
it.
talking. Let me see. Stop. Stop. Let's put some gloss on.
I want to do a different one.
No, because you're wasting money's expensive makeup. I can't have it. Let me do this one. Okay, let's put some shimmer on your eyeball. Go to your eye. Okay, open your eye.
I look like a princess.
I'm making you look like a princess, girl. Let's put
I want some mascara.
You already got mascara on your face.
Well, this is not showing right.
Let me see.
Bye, guys. I hope you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
Thanks.
I bless you.
Let me see. Can I look at you, please? Thank you.
My bless you.
Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Looking for the loyal ones, but there's too many people. I never know who to trust, and if it will be equal.